I would like to get to know if I could be. I wanna be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something.
Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Elle Chanel. If this is your first time here, if this isn't your first time here, thank you so much for still rocking with me. I appreciate the love so much. Thank you for, you know, just keeping up with me and watching me. I appreciate all the support all the time. And today's video is gonna be about this amazing hair. I need y'all to know about the hair. I need y'all to know about the hair. And you all are gonna watch me crimp my hair using this crimping iron that I got from Amazon. It's fire. Y'all need to get up on it. Y'all need to get up on it. So first, before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell in the corner so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Because why wouldn't you want to keep on watching? So let's just get straight to it. Alright, so first we're going to talk about this crimping iron. It's by KIPOZI. It's called the Pro Beachy Waver for the perfectly romantic hairstyle. The details is it heats up fast. It has a 79-inch power cord, and it shuts off in 60 minutes, and it goes up into 420 degrees Fahrenheit, degrees, whatever. So what I can say is it's bomb. I've used it multiple times. Here it is right here. It has like a little lock right here. One thing about it that I really love is that, like, when I'm holding it, my fingers don't like press into like to adjust the temperatures. Like, I have a wand, and when I use it and I'm pressing down, you know, because you kind of sometimes you kind of hold it tight, your hands kind of adjust the temperatures, and I love the fact that, like, my hands don't do that with this. And it comes with a glove. I don't use a glove because, I mean, it has like this little rubber tip, and that's good enough for me because it doesn't burn your hands. But I also love that it has this little plate right here, so when you sit it down, you don't burn your counter, your beauty table, whatever, you know, that you're using to sit your hair products on. You don't burn it. So yeah, get it from Amazon. It's $29.99. I will link it in the description box below. Yeah. And if I had to compare it to any other like crimping iron, it would be the Ion crimping iron. It's purple. It's like the titanium crimping iron. That's what I would compare it to. Definitely. It's, to me, it does the same thing. So if you want a budget, you might want to get this. So moving on to this hair. So this wig is a 5x5 closure from Hair by Honeyy. It was machine constructed, and I will say this hair is amazing. Like, it's silky. I just washed it, so it's freshly washed. It has a lot of luster to it. It has no product in it right now. I did let it air dry. And if you've seen my previous video, it's the hair transformation video, you would have seen that I got it installed by Marshala Simone. That's who installed it. She customized it for me. And I will say I just really love 5x5 closures or 6x6 closures, because I'm not really that good with like frontals like that. This is a wig that's more of like your everyday type of wig, you know what I'm saying? Like, you could just throw it on, adjust the straps in the back. It has like adjustable straps. It has a comb in the back, and you can sew a band on the inside. But I mean, the lace, it lays down right on your forehead. Like, I just don't have any issues with like just throwing it on and go. Like, sometimes I don't even put my got to be spray on it, and I just go. But anyway, so the closure is 18 inches, and it's 3 22-inch bundles that is sewn onto the wig. I didn't add any extra bundles. It comes down, it is really long. I'm gonna tell y'all this, for a 22-inch, it's long. I'm 5'2", and it comes right down here. This is where it comes to. So to me, That's long for 22 inches. So I need y'all to know that. I need y'all to know, like, you know, if you want a budget but you still want some long hair, you can get this wig. I just don't have any like tangling. I don't really get much shedding like either. Like, I mean, I really don't. Like, the shedding that I may get, it's just normal. Like, it's just normal. Like, all hair sheds, but this hair is not like, it ain't like, dang, so much hair coming out, like, you know what I'm saying? It's not like that. And I love the fact that, like, it doesn't rat up in the back. You know, like a lot of units be ratting up in the back. Y'all know what I'm talking about, right at the nape of the neck. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, Shop Hair by Honeyy, I mean, all of her hair is really just quality hair. It really is. Like, that's really the hair that I just love to wear. Like, and it has longevity. Like, some bundles that I have, it's from years ago, like years ago. So she is based in Calumet City, Illinois. So if you do live in the Chicagoland area, you can go and purchase your bundles. You can go into the salon and purchase your bundles. So yeah, Shop Hair by Honeyy. If you're watching this, thank you so much. This is a sponsored video, but she ain't paying me to say what I'm saying. So I just need y'all to know this is my true authentic opinion. I genuinely feel this way. I genuinely love the hair, like I really do. I always recommend it to everybody. Like, I just do. I love the hair. So yeah, the link to this wig will be in the description box below, so go shop. Now let's get into crimping this hair. Today's products that I'm going to use is this Spritz by Fantasia, this Heat Protector Spray by Fantasia, this Hair Polisher by Nedia J, the Got To Be Insta Hold Spray. This is the best spray to me. I love this spray. I don't really like the yellow spray like that no more. This one, and I sweat a lot. So for you know, my ladies or my fellas, you know what I'm saying, like if you sweat in your head, and if it's the summertime, like I'm gonna tell you, I really do sweat a lot on my forehead, and it holds. It don't be moving. It's so crazy to me. So anywho, I'm gonna use this alcohol to clean off any excess oil, dirt, or makeup, and let's get to it. right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I love my crimps. They came out perfect. So yeah, make sure you shop Hair by Honeyy. Make sure you get that crimping iron. Like, if you're on a budget, that's the one to get. That's the one. This the one. And this the one. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. So I wanted to mention these lashes that I'm wearing today. They're by Yayra and Co. She gave me this pretty case right here. It's so pretty. I love the case. I love the packaging. You know, we love packaging. So I got the Lily lashes on by Yayra and Co. It came with like a little spoolie. Came in this little bag right here. And it came with a little spoolie. It was so cute. I love them. And yes, make sure you shop with her. These lashes are super pretty. Like, shop with her. Support black businesses. You know what I'm saying? Hair by Honeyy, Yayra and Co. Support black businesses. All right.